Hello, how are you all today? कसे आहात सगळे? It's really amazing that we are meeting for 26th day today, and today we are going to learn something about calendar. I mean, the formula related to calendar, day, date, and I have made like a two parts. So today we are going to see the basic parts of formula, and today may be a little bit more complicated about it. Okay, so let's start without any further ado. Okay, so in this gray color table you can see there are these three things, that is now, today, time, and the shortcut column for it the same. Also you can use the formulae for the same. Okay, so for now, as we already know, start with equal to. The formula or the function is now. It returns the current date and time formatted as the date and time, and you can just enter it, complete the bracket. We don't have to put any kind of detail in the bracket, and enter. See, you can just see we have got the time and date. So today's date is 11/6 or 11 June 2020, and sorry, 2021. I must be living in the past. And the time is 11:42. And you can see as the time goes, it will get updated. If you want to keep it as it is, just copy the cell and paste it as a values. That means go to the paste tab and press values. Okay, or the shortcut alt ESV. Okay, can you hear the rains outside? They're really romantic, they're really amazing. Okay, so today is the new formula which gives us the date for today as it is. So same formula, today, tab, complete the bracket, enter. That's it, we get today's time. So the shortcut for the same is control and semicolon. So shift control and semicolon together. To get the time, the shortcut is control shift and semicolon, and you can get the time. Okay, so hopefully you're getting it. See, the now tab is getting updated as per the clock and time. Then this was for now, today, and time. Very basic, right? Now let's see if we have year, month, and day, how we can format it in the date format. Okay, simple. The formula there is equal to date. We can see date here, tab, year is 2007, the month is 7th, and the date is 25th. You can just complete the bracket, enter, and you get the 25th 7th 2007. The same goes here, date, tab, 21, 12, and 28. Complete the bracket, enter. But you know it's all in number. So if this is kind of short date format, if you want longer date, just go to the home tab, and then here is the number column. Go here and you can see short date, long date here. So right now we are seeing the short date. If you press the long date, you get the month in text. Okay, remember, every time we can check using is number formula, and if you press this date, complete the bracket, you can see it's giving us the result true. That means every date is a particular number in Excel, and just that they can give us a little bit more about date in a textual format, in a number format. But if we have to see if it is number or text, date comes always as a number. So that's why is number, yes. So the table below is like a huge table, you can see. Okay, and the same thing what we are doing is we are using a little formulas and tricks to get it. Okay, so if I have to get the weekday, that means what is the day on that particular date. So that is 21st May to 1999. So what I have to do, one trick, plus, oh sorry, plus, go to that date, enter. You will get the basic. Actually, because it's the same format, you can get basically same date, and then you have to go to date, and you have to convert it into a specific number format. Okay, that means you have to go more numbers. Here it is DDD, you have to type DDDD for 4 times. I'll try doing it again, okay, for your and my help. Okay, so what I can do, plus this one, enter. Now you are getting the date, same date, right? You have to go to numbers, more number. Here it is a sample, right? You have to go to custom in the category, in the number tab, and then here it is DDMMYYY. So rather than, you have to put DDDD and okay. So you get the day for that particular date. Hopefully it is clear now. Okay, and I can just drag it down, so you can see the same for every column. Then if we want to use the formula, what can we use as a formula? Equal to text tab to select the formula. Value, I am going to select this cell for my value, and then format text should be C D D D D. It is a text, and that's why we need double inverted comma to complete the formula, and then enter. You can get it easily. But there is one glitch, or we can say one more function. If I press text tab, I have selected the value, comma, and rather than placing 3 Ds here or 4 Ds here, what if I press only 2 Ds? Complete the comma. See, I get what kind of day is was that from the first day of month. So it was 14th day. Okay, similarly, if I'm going to copy this formula, I'm going to paste it, but rather than using 2 Ds, now I'm going to use 3 Ds and enter. We can say a short form of that particular day, that is Sunday, and that's why sun sun. So simply you can do this too. Okay, hopefully you're getting hand of it. If you're not, please do mention that in comment. I'll explain it again. Now this is the day thing, and same, we have to use the formula by pressing equal to day formula, tab it, give the serial number, that is date, complete the formula, and you can see that when 21st May 1999, it was the 21st day of that particular month. It's a easy and basic, but if you are using it in a complicated formulas, you get it very useful fashion, or you can make it very efficient. Okay, so month for month, again what we can do is, we can just press plus and then select this date, enter. See, you are getting the date now, but we don't want date, right? So what we have to do, go to the number tab, then you have to go to more numbers. In number sub tab, go to the custom, and rather than DDMMYYY format, you have to press MMMM and then enter. So you can see we are getting the name of month, and similarly you can just drag it down, and then you will get the month. So it was for December month because 12, and 8 months must be August. So it is giving the future dates too. That means in the future, 10th August will be Sunday. It's a weekend, right? Then August month, right? Then if I want to check the month, similarly, as we have checked the date, or we have to use the formula, sorry. So we have to use the formula month tab, then serial number, as already we have discussed about the date, complete the, see, that's it, and I can drag it down as always. So that means we are getting the month in number. If I want it in a text, what I have to do, I have to use text, and here we have used day as DDDD. For the month we have to use MMMM. That's it. So same formula, just in a different context. So text formula, select the date, and the format will be in the double inverted comma, 4 times M, inverted comma, complete. Again, if I press 2 times, I'll get the number of month. If I press 3 times M, I'll get the short form of the month. Okay, I'm going to drag it down. So that is for text. Okay, now let's see year, how I can get the year. The formula is year. So year tab, don't worry, there is one more year frac formula that we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay, Complete the bracket, enter, you will get the year. I know this seems very basic things, but if you use it in a very complicated formula, they make your work very easier. And that I'm going to show you tomorrow. Okay. Right now, just learn about the formula. So this is like the last day of the month. So whatever date we are preferring, like 10th of June, 21st of May in 1999, 10th of August in 2025. Okay, so what will be the last day of that month? And for that, there is a formula of EO month. That might be the short form of end of the month. Okay, and what we have to do is equal to EO month tab. The start date is 21st 5 1999 for us right now, and months we are going to press as 0, enter. So you can see it's a number. So how we can say it's a date? Obviously, it is a date and we can get the date. It is the date value. That means what is the number given by the Excel sheet to this particular date. So for 21st 5 1999, the date value is 36311, and that's why it is a number. So when we are using is number formula, it gives us true value, right? We can change 36311 to date by pressing on number tab and make it a maybe long date. You can just do short date. You will be getting short date too. I'm just going to drag this formula. So this was the EO month formula or function. Here we get the first day of the next month. दैट मीन्स नेक्स्ट मंथ में कौन सा फर्स्ट डे होगा अगर एक डेट गिवन है तो ओके एंड द फॉर्मूला इज द सेम just what we have to do is we have to get end of the month, right? Sorry, equal to EO month tab, then you have to go to this 21st wala tab, comma, months was 0, complete the bracket and just press plus 1. That means it gives you the next day. Okay, enter. So this is the date that will be there. Again, it's a short date format. That means 1st June 1999. If I want long date, again in a home tab, go to the number sub tab, go to the date wala patch and press it long date. You can get the long date. You can just drag it down. So hopefully, now that you have learned all these formulae, we have learned today about the now function, today function, time function, their shortcuts, control plus semicolon, control shift plus semicolon. Then you can see how we have used the date formula, right? By in entering year, month and day. Then we have used how text formula can be used in a different context to get the day. Text formula can be used to get the month. Then how we can use day formula, month formula, year formula, and then EO month formula to get the last day of that particular month and first day of the next month. So hopefully this is not the jumbling part. If you have any kind of query, please don't forget to put it down in the comments and I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, and in a way, please, if you think it is useful, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And as you already know that you have to wash your hands, use the sanitizers, and have to be in the house only for some days more, and then we can be free as a bird to do anything we want. Okay, bye, have a nice day ahead.